The time from when the sun starts setting to when we can see the stars and the moon clearly in the dark sky is, according to me, one of the most relaxing time of the day. Post our cozy dinner and a good family time of watching TV or doing some other things together, it is time to clean up and reset the whole house to a fresh state for the next day. I start by putting things back to their place and by cleaning my kitchen. It was only recently that I realized the importance of doing this a night before. To be very honest, I realized that there is no rush at this hour, and hence all of these activities do not seem taxing anymore. Doing the same in the morning would have made for a hurried start. To keep the dining table clutter-free, since this has turned into our home office these days. I've heard that working from home makes for a lifestyle that has no routine. So there are no more timings to be followed or a routine as such. But for a homemaker, I guess, there's much more discipline now, since one needs to adjust their routine around the office meetings and schedules. Do you like it this way, or did you like it before? Sometimes a simple trick to maintaining a home is by keeping it clean. Not easy to do, I must admit. The key here is to be consistent. Not my cup of tea, but regular habits like so are the only way to keeping the day easygoing and worry-free. While I'm doing these chores, I'm also looking forward to some more things. Yes, the day doesn't end here for me. Has it ever happened to you that after a long day at work, after you've finished household chores, you look forward to something? Mostly it would be just a good night's sleep, right? What if I told you there's one more thing you could do that'll make your life magical? I will come to that in a bit. some warm turmeric milk for myself, I head straight inside. I've never been an avid reader, but always wanted to be one. No trick ever worked. So, taking motivation from my mother in law's habit of reading every night, I made a choice. A choice to read only and only 2 pages every night before going to sleep. And folks, that was it for me. Now, I read way more than I imagined. In ordinary life, we hardly realize that we receive a great deal more than we give. By simply acknowledging and appreciating what we have, changes the way we think from that moment on. This time of the night is never sad for me. It can never be, as I am only and only thinking about things that have made me happy. This is that magical thing I was talking about earlier. If you ask me, this will be life-changing for you.